Welcome to Learn Smart. Disclaimer. In this multi-part video series, we are going to discuss the top mutual funds in India. Mutual funds are a great way to invest your money for the long term, and they can help you reach your financial goals. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 3 mutual funds in large cap, mid cap, and small cap fund categories. We'll also be looking at some basic facts and figures about each fund. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, we hope you'll find this video helpful. So, let's get started. Segment A: Large Cap Equity Funds. 1. SBI Large Cap Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its consistent investment approach and its focus on large, well-established companies. The fund has a long track record of generating positive returns, even during market downturns. This fund has a 5-year return of 16.5% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. 2. HDFC Equity Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its strong management team and its focus on quality stocks. The fund has a team of experienced fund managers who have a proven track record of selecting stocks that outperform the market. This fund has a 5-year return of 16.2% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. 3. ICICI Prudential Large Cap Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its diversified portfolio and its focus on long-term growth. The fund invests in a wide range of stocks across different sectors and industries. This helps to reduce risk and improve the chances of generating positive returns over the long term. This fund has a 5-year return of 15.9% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. Segment B: Mid-Cap Equity Funds. 4. Mirae Asset Emerging Bluechip Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its focus on quality mid-cap stocks. The fund invests in mid-cap companies that have strong fundamentals and growth potential. This fund has a 5-year return of 20.7% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. 5. Aditya Birla Sun Life Midcap Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its focus on mid-cap companies that are leaders in their respective industries. The fund invests in companies that have a strong track record of growth and profitability. This fund has a 5-year return of 19.4% and an expense ratio of 0.6%. 6. Reliance Midcap Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its focus on mid-cap companies that are well positioned to benefit from the growth of the Indian economy. The fund invests in companies that are operating in sectors such as infrastructure, consumer, and healthcare. This fund has a 5-year return of 19.2% and an expense ratio of 0.6%. Segment C: Small Cap Equity Funds. 7. DSP Small Cap Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its focus on small cap companies that have high growth potential. The fund invests in small cap companies that are operating in niche sectors or have disruptive business models. This fund has a 5-year return of 24.3% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. 8. ICICI Prudential Small Cap Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its focus on small cap companies that are well managed and have a strong track record of growth. The fund invests in companies that have a clear competitive advantage and are operating in growing industries. This fund has a 5-year return of 23.9% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. 9. Mirae Asset Small Cap Growth Fund has performed well in the past due to its focus on small cap companies that are disruptive and have the potential to change the way we live and work. The fund invests in companies that are operating in cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. This fund has a 5-year return of 23.6% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. That's it for the video. See you in the next video about other categories of mutual funds. We hope that you found this video helpful. Please do leave a comment below to share your feedback about the video. Please like and share our videos and do not forget to subscribe to Learn Smart for more such informational videos. Wish you a very happy and profitable investing.